How not to send a PEZ dispenser. Yeah. What's really going on, everybody? Josh here with, usually I do what's in the box. Yeah, this is what's in an envelope that somebody didn't protect properly. If I can request anything, if you ever send me PEZ, or mail anybody PEZ for that matter, don't put in this bubble wrap envelope. It will break the PEZ dispenser. And this is something I've been looking forward to getting. Okay, there's another layer of protection. Hopefully there was enough layers of protection to protect our removable nose Mickey Mouse. Now, as you can tell, this is a metal spring. It does have the partial cheeks. And when you look at the IMC, it is a 7. So what does that mean? That it's a Hong Kong stem. This one happens to be a 3-4 Hong Kong. I was hoping for a 2-6 Hong Kong Mickey Mouse. A very rare one. But no, this one happened to be a 3-4, which is, I think, I would say, as rare as the Hincho in Mexico. But that's my opinion, and you know what they say about opinions. Everybody has one, and I am going to express mine. Yeah. Thanks for agreeing, Mickey. But as you can see, he has the partial cheeks, which you will notice on the Hong Kong dispensers. Now remember, this is a plastic factory that made this particular dispenser. Yeah. And to save money in Hong Kong and China, they cut out this chunk of the cheek. Now, when they cut out that chunk of the cheek, that's less plastic. Less plastic means more units made, which means less product used, which means bigger profits. Mickey, you know something about profits, don't you? Yeah. But that's what we know about the Hong Kong. So that's an easy way to tell the difference between a Hong Kong and an Austria dispenser. That and the crappy plastic. There is some garbage plastic here. It's almost see-through. You can see the marbleization there. But yeah, it's horrible plastic. Very bad plastic. Now, this Hong Kong Mickey nose that you see here, that is the one that is in the Popeye with the red and white removable hat with the pipe. And it's a removable part. Now, it's not an Austria dispenser. That Popeye dispenser was only made in Hong Kong. So it would have a Hong Kong nose in it. I will do a video where we dissect the Mickey Mouse PEZ dispensers. So feel free to look forward to that. But Mickey wouldn't look forward to that, I'm sure. No, he wouldn't. So until next time, please leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything after the video's over, of course. See you next time.